Adding and subtracting rational expressions is actually very simple when the denominators match. Like denominators means the bottom numbers are exactly the same. When denominators match, we do not change them. We only add or subtract what is on top. We are adding 3x plus 2 over 5 and x minus 7 over 5. Since the denominators match as 5, we combine the numerators. We add 3x plus 2 and x minus 7. We use parentheses to keep everything organized. 3x plus x is 4x. 2 minus 7 is negative 5. The simplified expression is 4x minus 5 over 5. One important thing to notice when adding or subtracting fractions, you cannot simply cancel terms across the numerators and denominators. That's only for multiplication. Now we subtract 6x minus 1 over 8 and 2x plus 5 over 8. When subtracting, the entire numerator after the minus sign must be subtracted. We use parentheses so the negative sign applies to everything. The minus sign changes all signs inside the parentheses. X minus 2x becomes 4x. Negative 1 minus 5 becomes negative 6. We now have 4x minus 6 over 8. To simplify further, we factor out the greatest common factor. The final simplified result is 2x minus 3 over 4. Go ahead and pause the screen and work through these examples first. Then hit play and follow along as the steps are shown clearly on the screen so you can compare your work. Adding and subtracting rational expressions is easy when denominators match. If the denominators are the same, keep the denominator and combine the numerators.